Are you ready to take your career to the next level? Let us introduce ACCA, the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. It's a globally recognized professional accounting qualification trusted by employers in over 180 countries. ACCA prepares you with skills in accounting, finance, and management, everything you need to become a financial expert. Your journey starts here. Join us and let's unlock your potential with ACCA. Ever wondered what you'll learn in ACCA? Let us show you. Master financial reporting, taxation, and audit skills. Dive into strategic business leadership and advanced performance management. At our college, we focus on practical knowledge and real-world application. By the time you graduate, you'll have the skills to excel anywhere. At ACCA, learning goes beyond the books because success demands more. Why ACCA? It's more than a qualification. It's a passport to a brighter future. With ACCA, you open doors to job opportunities worldwide. Whether in finance, audit, or consulting, top employers are looking for you. ACCA gives you a competitive edge, high earning potential, and recognition as a global financial expert. Take the step towards a fulfilling career with ACCA. Your future is calling.